The interactive service manual is just something within Automation Studio that we can send this interactive service manual to the customer. A normal service manual just has a top and a bottom and you can go through your pages. The interactive service manual, you can actually click on said circuit, you can click on the component and it'll take you to its specifications and image. I'm a very visual person, and so for me, anything that's visual that you can actually see helps me understand it that much better. That's kind of what we want to use. We want to use it to help us provide that solution, that confidence, that end result to the customer and to our customer's customer.
Ask us today about partnering with Hydraquip on this project.